about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with
I don't think you have any idea how insane this is. Spicy garlic butter pasta, let's go. Salt your boiling water and cook your pasta. In a separate pan on low heat, add your olive oil and garlic slices until they're crispy and golden and set aside. Add a knob of butter to your garlic oil, chili flakes, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and give it all a mix. 3 minutes before your pasta is al dente, transfer it over to the pan. You want to finish cooking it off here. Add some pasta water, give it a toss, then go in with your chives and parmesan and give it another toss until evenly coated. And all you've got to do is serve it up with some sesame seeds. This is completely optional, but you can use some crispy chili oil as I did, and do not forget about your crispy golden garlic chips. Now this is the time for you to do the schlop. So ridiculously good. And if it doesn't make you feel like this, you are lying, because
what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you. Both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension. Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end.
Guys, I promise if you make these for a party, they're gonna be a hit, because I made them for my daughter's birthday party and it was gone like the wind. Oh my god, these are so fire and they're easy to make. Well, to me. Hopefully they're just as easy to make for you. But anyways, let me show you guys how to make it, okay? These are called biodonos. I don't know who came up with the name, but the technique is genius. It's like a pastelón, which is a Puerto Rican lasagna, but in the form of a cupcake. So they're just so much more easy to make and eat. So what you'll do is you'll grab a sweet plantain, okay, and you'll cut it vertically, and then you're gonna fry it 2 to 3 minutes on each side, okay? Then you're gonna put some butter on your cupcake pan, and look how they just perfectly fit inside the cupcake pan. Like, what? You're gonna grab some egg and put it at the bottom. The egg is gonna act like the glue. It's gonna hold everything together, okay? Now, I'm using ground turkey, you can use ground beef, and then I'm using shredded mozzarella, you can use, I don't know, pepper jack if you want, or some other pieces, whatever. But it's gonna be egg, meat, cheese, meat, and in at 350 for 15 minutes, took it out, put some more cheese on top, because why not? And then I cooked it for maybe like 7 minutes until pretty much golden brown. But y'all, put a little bit of chives on top, and once I just got the hors d'oeuvre. Okay, these are cute. Oh, you gotta make them.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for.
Making egg roast, which is one of the most popular food at American Chinese restaurants. Hope you enjoy this video. First, we're going to make the stuffings for the egg roast. You can totally get it creative about this, but the basic ingredients are ground meat, cabbage, black potatoes, carrot, mushrooms, and once we add in the seasonings and sauce we have listed here, simply mix it all together until it's fully combined. In the meantime, we're going to make this super gooey flour and butter. You are seeing egg roasting from the package. Lay it flat on the chopping board. Add in the stuffings towards the end of the wrapper. Make sure you fold both sides towards the center before we dab in some super glue we just made. Alright, and then finally we just
Not
roll it
looking
over
back,
until it's fully
eyes on the
sealed.
freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run. This is what we waited
for 5 to 7 minutes. There you have it. They are crispy outside and soft, delicious inside. My full recipe is in the bio link. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more recipes.
I'm definitely a sauce person. You'll never see me eating food without sauce, so let me show you how to make my chipotle and jalapeno sauce. You start off by roasting your jalapeno, pop it into a bag, and then peel off the skin. After that, you're going to put some chipotle peppers along with some cilantro, some garlic, the peeled jalapeno, and then sour cream along with some lime juice. Then we season. I add paprika, cayenne, cumin, pink Himalayan salt, and then black pepper to top it off, a little bit of water to thin it out, and then you blend until smooth, and you're done.